My people, one police officer don't come outside dey yarn say, in fact, they say the place where they work, say the condition of the distance, say e no good at all. Say all their working levels and for poor working conditions, now they do everything. And this man come outside, they complain, say in fact, no single help they come from anywhere for them. Say government no they even help them at all. Say since when they don't transfer and go Yobe State, where they inside Nigeria, say in fact no help dey come from anywhere. Say even allowance e no dey see, feeding fee she no dey come from anywhere. Say na salary wey dey pay dem na dem dey use take whole body take do things inside this place. I come dey surprise, I think say na only civilians na this kind thing dey happen to. I no know say people wey even be government officials, wey be forces and armed forces, I no know say themselves this kind thing dey touch their own side. Now what e mean say this whole thing wey dey even happen sef, na everybody the thing dey happen for. My people, abeg make una watch video from where this policeman dey talk out in mind as him dey vex, dey para.
3,000 as a target. I'm dying in Yobe here. Look at how they burn our team. Look at how many people have died. Nigeria, look into our problem. Nigeria, look into our problem. We are dying. No helper. What are we serving this country for? Why? Nothing. Hungry servicemen. God is there. Thank you.
Ewo, on top of how much? On a year in salary, he say 63,000 naira. Pere. Now they pay them. Now person can't decide say he won't go fight war. He won't go kill himself because of 63,000 naira. In fact, if they give me 1 million naira as a day, I know they go fight anything. I go sit down for my place because I don't even get power self to go fight. Talk less of say I won't come do this kind of thing. So now this kind of thing, now police people they go through and army people. On they try. But this man now, all the thing when they talk now, in they beg government, in they beg Nigerians say, make they come help them. So what can be the reason why they serve the country? Because everything where they even do self, it dey in vain. Because the money where they pay him, this money now shaking money, say the money too small. And you know if you do anything for them. Say if they can't die in court, if they die, how their family want to survive? Because this kind of money, 63,000. Now they go pay pikin school fees, pay and give wife money, do expenses where they won't gather. So how they want to survive on top of this kind of thing? But me, all this thing where this man talking, I say, Oga, I beg. Not be Nigerians, suppose they relate this your matter to. Go first am to the government because now they work for government. So now then go fit understand what they talk well. Now then go understand this your English way they speak because now only them fit understand them. If we decide say okay, you now decide say they won't go protest because of Onana. Now this same police now go still come outside. Government go order and say make a carry gun go shoot these protesters. Now go still stand up. Go there, go do this kind of thing. If they say throw tear gas, now I go still stand up drum. So this one now where they call on Nigerians. I no sure say that Nigerians suppose they call out to. Call the government, or na government people. Now no people they pay on a salary. Make na go meet them, say, okay, oh, this kind of thing, like this, they go. This money when they pay us, you know reach us, and we won't even complain. Or better still, make na whole protest. I know go surprise the police people say go come out and say, them say they want whole protest. So make na whole protest. Bear they if not complain. Talk on our mind, maybe they go hear on. Because this one where come social media they complain about. Nobody go hear them. And I think our government, they put money about security and all these things. All this new budget where they bring money for. I beg, where they put all this kind of money? See where police people they live. See this kind of place where they say even burn down the place. And at this kind of place, now they can't they still they survive for. What did the government they do about this whole matter? Because me, as I reason this thing, this man not even supposed to come here. They supposed go meet the Oga of police, go meet and say for that Yobe State, say, Oga, see where we they live. People where they fight for country, see as their place be. In fact, people where they live under bridge, their own even still better pass this place where then these people they live. Because then this one that they risk their life for this country. What if the essence say you go risk your life, tire at the long run? They no go. In fact, if they kill yourself, they no go even give your family any better money. In fact, that barrack where your family they stay, you know go support. They feel even pursue them back their loan, say make I get out from here. They go still pursue them come on top of how, on top of waiting. On top of waiting and this now I understand why police people they vex so. I understand why they collect bribe because this money no they reach them. If this money reach them, they no go they do this kind of thing. If this money plenty for them, I no sure say you go see police for money, police don't strong face. Like say something they worry am. I sure say because of say the things where they go through Money wey dey give them no dey reach, and their expenses sef dey high. Na make dem dey come outside come dey talk all this kind thing. Because this one now, you dey expect say we go do GoFundMe for you, abi how you wetin you dey expect? So abeg, carry this your cry go meet government people, carry am go your officials, na know na sef. Go meet them, make dem do the needful for you and your colleagues, because I know no be only you this thing dey affect. So make dem carry this thing go meet the people wey this thing suppose work on. If na new barrack abi wetin dem wan build for, make dem build am for now. If na salary, make dem increase am. I sure say by that one now, una sef na go dey do una work well. Una go put bribery and corruption for one side. Na no go even dey reason am, because una dey okay. Una go do una work well. Abeg o, this man don come outside dey cry. Make government lis ten to this man cry, because him don tire. If he no tire, he no go even talk am. He even come hand am say, where na God dey, abi na Jesus. I don't know wetin God dey inside this whole matter for. But as e take enter sef, the ending even funny me. But abeg go, government people, make una work towards this thing. Now this kind one, now here I come say make I bring am come, make una sef use na ear hear wetin dey happen for Yobe State. Anything wey una feel, make una write am inside the comment section. Make una no forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see una for the next video.